As we continue to celebrate Black History Month, reporter Marlon Samuels highlights William Robbie Clarke, a trailblazer whose courage broke barriers in the air and changed history.
In a time when racial barriers were firmly in place, one Jamaican broke through to soar above the skies. William Robbie Clarke, born in Kingston, became the first black pilot to fly for Britain during World War I. He was born in Kingston, Jamaica, on October 4, 1895, to Egbert and Eugenia Clarke. Driven by a sense of duty to mother country, he paid his own way to Britain to enlist at 19 years of age. He joined the Royal Flying Corps on July 26, 1915, initially serving as a driver and a mechanic. By April 26, 1917, he had earned his pilot wings, Royal Aero Club Aviator Certificate number 4837, and was promoted to sergeant. Soon after, he began flying combat missions over Belgium.
For us, his bravery was shown where he was actually navigating a flight, was shot down and managed to land the plane safely. And then after that, he retired from active duty.
Returning home, Robbie built a life in Jamaica, working in construction and remaining a proud veteran. He became the life president of the Jamaica branch of the Royal Air Forces Association, which is located at Curfew Place, Solarfield, Kingston 5. William Robbie Clarke passed away in 1981, buried here at Up Park Camp. His story, long forgotten, was rediscovered through photographs and archives, reminding us of a trailblazer who defied the odds. A pioneer in the skies and a symbol of courage, William Clarke's legacy soars beyond borders, inspiring generations to come. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.